Hi guys, this week's video problem has a Halloween theme, specifically pumpkins. So let's suppose I have a bunch of pumpkins and I give half of my pumpkins to the principal, Mr. Pay. And then the pumpkins that I still have left, I give half of them to Mr. McCoochie. At the end of the day, after I've given pumpkins to Mr. Pay and Mr. McCoochie, I still have 6 pumpkins left. How many pumpkins did I start with? Happy Halloween. We're taking a tour through a haunted house. In the first room, Dr. Zal screams 5 times. Each room that we enter becomes more and more scary than the previous one. Each room that we enter, Dr. Zal screams 3 more times than he did in the last room. Using the sequence rule that we just learned, how many times will Dr. Zal scream when he enters the 5th room?
Hey guys, so here's my question. I was looking over my previous bounty from Halloween of yore, and what I found was one time I had 3 pounds of candy and that ended up being 47 pieces. Another time I had 2 pounds of candy, that ended up being 35 pieces. A third year I had 3.5 pounds of candy, that gave me 50 pieces. And the last year I had 4 pounds of candy and that ended up being a total of 55 pieces of candy. So knowing what you know about domain and range, give me one new input and output. So one new pound of candy and how many pieces of candy that would give. That would turn this relation into not a function. So again, is there one piece of data that you could make up that would somehow turn this into not a function anymore? All right, good luck.
So in keeping with the Halloween theme, I went spooky vision tonight, and I'm shooting this by the light of the moon as we approach Halloween. Dr. Atkinson's question is the following. I have 36 candy bars. I have twice as many Milky Ways as I have Baby Ruths. And I have 3 times as many Snickers as I have Baby Ruths. How many of each candy bar do I have?